The story opens in the peaceful Seven Hills, a place of clean water, green grass, and many animals living together. Their peace is disturbed by a powerful lion who believes that fear proves his greatness. He considers himself the smartest, strongest, and most beautiful creature in the hills, and he demands to be called His Lordship. When his pride grows into a daily demand for food, the animals must make an impossible choice. They can surrender one animal at a time, or they can risk the lion's anger by searching for another solution. The fable begins by showing how unchecked power can make an entire community feel helpless. The lion's long yellow mane ripples in the breeze like a flag announcing his supposed greatness. He enjoys the way the animals fear him and believes that every creature should recognize his authority. His hunger is not the only problem. His anger and vanity make ordinary life unsafe. Even when the animals are quiet and obedient, he is dissatisfied with the quality of his meals and complains that they are not worthy of him. His title, His Lordship, becomes a symbol of the way he expects respect without showing responsibility. The more the animals flatter him, the more convinced he becomes that his power is unlimited. The animals gather for a serious meeting because the lion's hunting has made them afraid to eat, sleep, or raise their young. They understand that if the lion continues hunting whenever he wishes, he may kill several animals during a single chase. The group therefore chooses a painful compromise. One animal will be sent to the lion each day so that the remaining animals may have a chance to survive and see their children grow. This is not a fair agreement, and it does not make the lion kind. It simply shows how frightened communities sometimes accept a smaller danger when they cannot yet defeat a larger one. The animals send Weasel to negotiate with the lion. Weasel speaks carefully and uses flattering language, telling His Lordship that the animals are worried about his health because the quality of his meat is poor. He proposes that the animals bring one plump and delicious meal every day, allowing the lion to rest instead of wasting energy hunting. The lion enjoys the praise and agrees to the arrangement, but he adds a cruel threat. If the animals disappoint him, he will eat all of them in a single day. Weasel returns with the agreement, but the animals understand that they have only postponed the danger, not removed it. Each day, the animals draw a name from a bowl to decide who will be the next dinner. The system is organized, but it is not peaceful. Every animal listens for the name, imagining that tomorrow may be their turn. Parents worrying about their children, and the community lives under a constant shadow of fear. The only animal who does not appear defeated is Hare, while the others argue or tremble. Hare observes the lion's weakness. His lordship is controlled by vanity. Hare begins to understand that the lion may be stronger physically, but he is also predictable whenever someone challenges his image of greatness. When Hare's name is drawn, he does not attempt to overpower the lion. Instead, he runs to the river and covers his body with foul-smelling mud. The strange appearance is part of a carefully planned performance. Hare approaches the lion slowly, acting frightened and apologetic, because he wants the lion to ask questions before attacking. He knows that a believable explanation can direct the lion's attention away from the truth. His plan depends on patience, observation, and the ability to make the lion believe that the danger comes from somewhere else. Hare's weapon is not force. It is a story designed for a proud listener. Hare tells the lion that another lion has stolen the dinner and claims to be greater than his lordship. The rival, Hare says, is larger, stronger, and blessed with an even more beautiful yellow mane. The lion's pride immediately turns the story into a personal challenge. He demands to see the other lion and promises to destroy him. Hare leads him to an old well and asks him to look inside. The lion sees a clean reflection in the water, but he does not recognize it as himself because he already believes that every rival must be defeated. He mistakes his own image for an enemy. The lion threatens the reflection, hears the echo of his own voice, and becomes even more furious. Without pausing to question what he sees, he leaps into the well and disappears. The animals celebrate because the source of their fear has destroyed itself. Hare survives long enough to see his children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren grow up, turning his clever act into a story remembered by future generations. The ending teaches that intelligence can confront power when it is joined with patience and cooperation. It also warns that arrogance can become a trap. The lion is defeated not by a stronger animal, but by his inability to see beyond his own pride.